holder. This is the bracket that this comes with, that you will install onto the wall, and then you will hook this into place. This is going to be connected like this, but these are at the bottom. Okay, there we go. So just kind of like hooks into place. I got this bracket on the wall right here. This is where my plug is, my NEMA 1450 plug. So I have this really close. This cord, the power cord is pretty, close by. So I want to make sure I install it close to the plug. Okay, we got it in. We pull it down. And there we go. Okay, it's all connected. Now we can actually plug it in. And then we have this guy where we want to put this, which is just a holder. And then the cord kind of wraps around here a little bit. Okay, so got this here. So this unit is up on the wall. Currently the breaker is off, so we're going to turn the breaker on, and then we can charge the car up. Okay, so I got my breaker, EV. Let's turn this on. Okay. And right away, this one's turning blue. Please connect EV. Yeah. Okay, so we're searching for nearby devices.
They don't mind. What else try to do? Yeah.
Okay, let's plug this guy in. This is very standard, very similar to other charging units that I have tried out. Has this little clicking sound. So one interesting thing about this unit is that you can set the amps from 1 to 48 amps. So that's what we're testing out right now. First tried it at 1 amp, but the car didn't recognize that. But that is actually something that I have not seen in other units that I've tried out, where you can set that level. Okay, so now it is charging. You can see that the car is blinking there. So it's kind of nice how you can see in real time, like what the current is, the voltage. My car here, the most that it can draw is 6 kilowatt hours. And I have the amp set to 26 right now. Of course, if you had a different car, you could draw more. You have that option. So kind of right now, I know I'm at about 55% in terms of my car here now, but you can turn it off through here as well. Charging mode, so you can do real-time charging, fixed time charging, set a schedule obviously. But kind of cool that you can set that amp, how you can do that precisely, that what fits the best with your car. Yeah, my unit, that's my current unit that I have right now to charge my car. I'm just testing this out right now, but with that app, you can't see at all, the current voltage, the current amps, the current power, all of that. So I rather like that. Also, you can set it to charge for an hour. That's actually rather nice. I can't do that with my current setup because I usually, this is different from all the different cars and chargers, of course, but I often set a timer on my phone so I know when to shut this off because I don't want to charge this, all the way up to 100%. You can, in most vehicles, you can also set this inside the car, but it's kind of nice to be able to set it in the charger as well. And you should be able to out and take it in and out, so should last for a while. So as this is being charged right now, this is not a touchscreen. You can't actually affect this in any way. The only thing you can do is attach that automatic shut-off switch, that emergency shut-off switch. If you don't have your app nearby and you need to shut that off, if something is going wrong, you have that option. But other than that, this is just a visual. And if you wanted to change any of these settings, like the amp level, for example, that's what you do through the app. Here we can see right now, okay, so we have charged this for 5 minutes. We have 6.4 kilowatts. The voltage is 246 volts. The other thing you can do is set the rate that you are paying for electricity, and it will calculate how much money you're spending, so this charging session costs this much money. Of course, we installed this inside now because that was easiest with the plug here, but you could just as easily install this outside since this is rated for indoor or outdoor, depending on what works best for you. Okay, we're done charging it. Can hook this back up here. Okay. And all it says here now is please connect to the EV. Fun to review a new EV charger. This was the Talgy Oot. I would say this is a nice basic unit. The app worked really well. I mean, basically it gave you a lot of information so that you could see what's going on. Cord is a little bit thicker. You do want to be conscious about where you place this in order to reach, charging your vehicle. If you're curious about this particular unit, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and have a good one. 247 volts.